Gather email list using the Harvester tool. Emails are a messaging resources that are crucial for performing information exchange. Email ID is considered by most people are personal identifications of employees or organization. Thus, gathering the email IDs of critical personnel is one of the key tasks of ethical hackers. The Harvester. These tools gather email subdomains, host, employees' name, open ports, and banners for different public sources such as the search engine, PGP key servers, and the Shodan computer database as well as user Google, Bing, Shodan, etc. To extract valuable information from the target domain, this tool is intended to help ethical hackers and penetration testers in the early stages of security assessment to understand organization footprints on the internet. It it is also useful to anyone who wants to know what organization information is visible to an attacker. Here we will gather the list of emails ID related to target organization using the Harvester tool. Here we will consider Microsoft as a target organization. However, you can select a target organization of your choice. I just type the help command of the Harvester in my Kali Linux terminal. Okay, so we perform the tool. First, we clear and perform the tool, the Harvester tool. Just type the Harvester dash D Microsoft .com and plus L200. In this command, dash D specific the domain or company name to search dash to search. Dash L specific the number of results to be retrieved and dash B specific the data source. The harvester start extracting the details and display them on the screen. Okay, you can see the email IDs related to the target company and target company hosted obtained from a Bing source as shown in a terminal. The attackers can use this email list to username to perform a social engineering and brute force attacks on the target organization. The results might be different when you are performing the task. Here we specify a Bing search engine as a data source. You can specify different data sources to gather information about the target. This concludes the demonstration of gathering an email list using the harvester. So that's for today. Like, share, and subscribe this video.